Hi, I'm Heidi, and I'm at Oklahoma Technical College today, and I'm so excited to be here and learn more. I am here with Joe. Thank you for having me. Tell me, what is Oklahoma Technical College all about?
What we like to pride ourselves on is more of a focus-driven education, something that our students are going to take from the classrooms and immediately apply it to industry upon graduation.
So what programs do you offer here?
Well, here at Oklahoma Technical College, we offer 6 programs in total. Those programs are Automotive Technology, our Diesel Technology, we have Electrical Technology, we have HVAC/R, which is also commonly known as Heating and Air, we have Plumbing and Welding.
So what ensures the best education you're giving the students?
Well, first of all, we rely heavily on our industry partners to keep up to date with what's going on in the industry, because what we teach here is a reflection of what's going to happen out there. All of our instructors have had multiple years experience, not only in teaching, but they have it out in the workforce. So what they've learned out there, you're going to have something that may not be in that book. And that's where our expertise of our instructors come in. They've seen it, they've done it, and they can teach it.
And they're passionate about it.
Absolutely.
I bet they're very passionate about
are.
it because they've been there, they've done it, and they want to pass that on.
Yes, ma'am.
So if someone's unfamiliar with Oklahoma Technical College and there's something you could share with them right now to get them to come check you out, what would it be?
I think the most important thing I would like to get across is when you put your trust in us, just know that you're going to get our very best. Number one priority for myself and the staff here at OTC is ensuring our students' success. I've told you about our industry partnerships. I've told you about our training. That does not stop there. Our job, our focus, our mission, if you will, is not done until we help that student secure employment through our Career Services Department.
I love that. I feel like there's definitely a connection from beginning to end, that you're helping your students, and it's truly a community and a family. If you want to learn more about Oklahoma Technical College, check out their website, or even better, come see them.